I've got a piece of fabric here and I've got my selvage edge here. I don't know if you can see that, but the selvage edge is the two ends of the fabric, and they look a little bit finished, and that's where the fabric was attached to the loom when it was manufactured. Sometimes it'll be a little bit of a ragged edge, sometimes it will have some writing on it, but you can always count on that to be a perfectly straight edge of your fabric. And so we're going to start there because we can measure from that edge and know that our grain is going the way we want it to go. So I start by generally folding the fabric in half to a kind of manageable size that will fit on my cutting mat. So this is probably about 18 inches or so. And you'll notice on the cutting mat that there is a diagonal line that's running at a 45-degree angle, and that line is a bias line. So if you were to line up your selvage edge of your fabric with any of these vertical lines on your mat, you would know that this is a bias line and you can cut along that. So in my case, I'll just line up my selvage edge with one of the vertical lines on the mat, and then I can line up my ruler with one of the diagonal lines, and I can just cut along that. If you don't have a cutting mat and you can't use this easy trick, there's another way to determine the bias of your fabric, and that is simply to take your selvage edge and fold it up against this folded edge so that you've got a 45-degree angle there. And at this point, I would avoid the temptation to just snip along this folded edge because that wouldn't give you a very accurate cut. I would take a ruler or a yardstick and kind of place it along there and draw a line and then use that as your cutting line. So in my case, I'm just going to use my rotary cutter, which I love, by the way, and use for sewing all my bags because the mat and the ruler help really to keep everything straight and square. So I'm just going to zip along here. I'm going to measure over 4 inches. Okay, so there's one more step. And that is to make this into a long strip. Because of the way the fabric was folded, if we were to open it up right now, it's actually a V shape, which is kind of neat, but is not going to work for our purposes.